Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, hi, my name is Vicky. Subscribe if you haven't, like this video, and also leave a comment down below. And in case you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always tuning in. I really do appreciate your support. So today I'll be showing you guys how I made this wig, how I achieved this look. First of all, I'm obsessed. I can't wait to show you how I made it. So let's get straight into the video. So the first item that you do need for this tutorial is a head mannequin. Yep, I used super Spanish bulk from Darling for this tutorial. So yeah, you could use any curly hair that you do prefer, but this works fine. You're also going to need wig cups, a crochet hook, a tiny crochet hook. Could use the normal one, is fine. You're also going to need pins to hold down the wig cup. Yeah, so the first thing that I do is take the wig cups and place them on the mannequin head. So I didn't use the normal wig cups that I always use, the normal wig cups for making wigs. I didn't have them at the moment and I was too excited. I could not wait to get them, so I just had to use whatever I had to try this hair out. Yep, these are like super light and can easily be torn or break, something like that, so I had to use two. They do come in two. One pack has two. They go for like 50 bob in the streets. Yeah, so I had to use this because I could not wait. So yeah, I did use two. So while doing this, while putting the wig caps on the mannequin, you have to make sure that they are aligned and they are like together. I don't know what that is, but yeah. Afterwards, I do go ahead and take the pins and make sure that the wig caps are like held and firm on the mannequin. Yep, and then I do go ahead and take the hair. As you can see, it's brand new. I have never tried it out. I once used it on my head for crochet my hair, but I wanted to try it on a wig. So yeah, as you can see, I am opening it and the texture is kinda kinkish. So yeah, I do go ahead and flatten it out, and yeah, then take the mannequin and start crocheting. So the first thing that I do is take the hair and take a tiny bit of the hair, like a portion of the hair. Then I do go ahead and take my crochet hook and pass it through the cups, the two cups. You have to make sure that the crochet hook gets to the other cup. As I told you before, I used two cups, but if you do use the normal wig cups, they do have like tiny holes, so that will be easier. Yeah, but if you decide to use these wig cups, you have to make sure that the crochet hook gets to both sides. So after the crochet hook passes the wig cups, I do go ahead and take the hair and place it on the hook, then pull it to the other side, then go ahead and make two knots. I do hope this is like clear. I don't know how to explain it further, but it is as it is in the video. So yeah, basically I'm doing the normal crocheting, but doing double knots, or you could do triple knots if you are making, if you are making like a wig that you want to stay with for long. So yeah, I'll explain it one more time. So I do take the crochet hook, pass it through the wig cups, make sure that it gets both of the wig cups, and then pull the crochet hook to the other side, put the hair on the hook, pull the crochet hook out, take the hair and make two knots as I'm doing in the video. I don't know how to explain this, but I do hope you do get it. It's kind of self-explanatory. Yeah, so basically that's all I'm doing for this tutorial. That is all, literally nothing else. It is super easy, super simple, and the results are bomb. So yeah, I don't know what else to say, so I'll let you guys watch it. And yep. As y'all can see, I am done and the curls are super bouncy. Gosh, I'm in love with the curls. I'm in love with everything that is happening right now except the part where I look like I go straight now. But the next thing for this tutorial is to cut the front hair to make a fringe, to cut the excess hair off and make a fringe. Imagine that is it. That is all. It is super easy. I don't know. I mean, there's nothing else to it. I mean, it's just crocheting and cutting the fringe, nothing else. It is that simple, and I am obsessed with everything that is happening right here. Yeah, it took me about approximately 2 hours to make the wig, and I had like a lot of breaks in between. So if I had done it in one sitting, I would have finished crocheting in like an hour or an hour 30 minutes. Yes, but all in all, I'm obsessed. I don't know how to express what I'm feeling right now. So if you do like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment down below, and if you do happen to try it out, tag me in whatever social media platforms you do post the video or pictures, because I want to see. Yes, that is it from me to you. Bye bye, till next time. The curls, bye. Also, before I go, the hair is super light. That's a good thing about it. And I have nothing else to add, so bye for reals this time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.